So there you go, that's our frying pan chocolate cake made in about 10 minutes. Absolutely fabulous. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are making a cake in a frying pan. No worries, you don't have to put the oven on. We're going to make a fantastic chocolate roll cake, 10 minutes in a frying pan. Let's do it, come on. In here, eggs. In here, sugar. In here, blender, blend. That'll do, I'm not going anymore. Right, in here, we got another bowl here, look. We've got all-purpose plain flour. I've got baking powder. I've got cocoa powder. I've got salt. I've got a whiskey thing. Let's get it all whisked in there. Now, I've got some oil. That's in there. I've got some milk. That's in there. I'm going to give it a little squirt of vanilla. Nearly dropped it. We're going to chuck that lot in there. I'm going to bring that in. That will do. That's off. Grab our sturdy spatula thing. Make sure we've got it all in there. Fabulous. Now we want a non-stick pan and we want to cut a little bit of parchment to go on the bottom. The reason for that is just going to help us get it out of here, that's all. Now you can grease that. Put that on, up to you. Right, now I've said that, we're going to grease it with some oil. Just make it easier and show you exactly what we do on there. All our mix in there. So just level out your cake mix. So we're making a sponge, so we want it quite level, you know. Now you've got to get a lid on. And you've got to cook this as low as possible. It's going to take about 6 minutes only. That's all. So cook it nice and low. And you do not flip it at all. Just cook it as is. It will cook. And what we're looking for is it to be light and spongy on top. Okay, what we're looking for, we've had about 5-6 minutes actually. What we're looking for is a light, spongy top. That is fine. That is flame off. What we need to do now is get that out of there and roll it in some parchment. Nice and steady whilst it's warm. It should come out of there, look. That's magic. Can you see how loose that is? Right, we want that out of there, onto there, but we don't want that parchment on the other side. Just remove that parchment from there. So it's nice and steady. Look, you've got the lovely cake. So we need to gently roll it like you would a normal sponge cake. And hopefully it won't crack up. So it's nice and gentle. Like that. I mean, this thing is absolutely red hot. If it cracks, it cracks. So you don't worry about it. There you go, one side. Okay, we got a little bit of we haven't got whipped cream yet. We've got cream. So all we're going to do is whip it up. That'll do, we don't have to whip and whip and whip. So we're going to take our cake. Nice and straightforward. We're going to slap our cream on there and we're going to roll the cake. And if it all rolls out, who cares? Nice and straightforward, like you would roll in a sandwich roll. Come on. We're rolling the cake. And there you go. There's our rolled cake. We're just going to do that. Now keep it held together. I'm going to shove that in the fridge just to cool a couple of minutes whilst we make a chocolate ganache. I was going to make it in a pan, but you know, we're making the cake in a frying pan. Let's make it in the frying pan. So we want some chocolate in there. Getting it good? Oh yeah. I don't know how much. 150 grams. I haven't got a clue, I'm not weighing it. Well, a little bit of salt in there. Well, a little bit of milk. A little melty on there. Come on. Now you could do this chocolate over a pan of water and all that. Carry on, but you know this is going to do the job, so why bother? This is that. This is a quick 10-minute cake, so we're not worried. That's good enough. Turn off the flame. Come on. We're ready for this. On there. There you go. So you've made a fabulous cake within 10 minutes. Stick it in the fridge to go cool and set up. Come on. Come on, we're in. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful cake. Come on, there's no other way for it. Let's get in here. Let's have a taste of this sponge and this cream, this chocolate. Just like any normal sponge. Oh, my mouth is really watering actually. Wow. That is incredible. It's spongy. It's fairly light. But you know, with all that ganache on there and everything, it's like a brownie. It's superb. Oh yeah. There you go, no oven. Still got a chocolate roll cake on the table. 10-minute cook on the cake. Leave it in the fridge as long as you want for the chocolate to set up. I'm not bothered. You know, I don't mind a little bit of stodgy chocolate. Fabulous. So there you go. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make a chocolate roll cake in a frying pan. What fun in the kitchen. You know, people don't believe it. Everybody thinks you have to cook in an oven. There you go. Chocolate roll cake made. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and we'll catch you in the next video. Oh yeah. Mmm.